Welcome back. So, we were discussing of the different subsystems in the satellite bus, and we have covered AOCS, TTC, power. Briefly, we will touch upon the other subsystems. The propulsion system is already, we won't go into detail of that, because some part of the propulsion system is already mentioned during the AOCS, attitude and orbit control system. So, we will talk about the thermal now. The temperature variations are large in satellite, because the one side, the face of the satellite which is facing the sun, is facing large temperature, whereas the other side of the satellite which is facing the cold sky is a very low temperature. So, there is a large temperature gradient, and there is some typical numbers I have listed here for different subsystem which faces this type of variations, because satellite is also slightly tilting all around Earth. Following are some temperature range specification for different subsystem. Some typical numbers, you can see the range. Antenna faces the maximum because it is outside. Electronics on the standby, they face larger compared to the which is in operation, because when it is in operation it generates its own heat. Then the solar power generator, that is also facing large variation. Battery in standby and battery in operational, similar to the electronics standby and operation, there is a variations of that.